everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply. Today we're going to be showing you the QuickShots feature of the DJI Neo. If you're looking to capture stunning cinematic footage with minimal effort, this feature is a game changer. Let's explore how QuickShots can elevate your drone videography. QuickShots is an intelligent flight mode that makes it easy to capture professional quality video with just a few taps. It's perfect for creating impressive cinematic shots without needing to master complex maneuvers. To get started with QuickShots, open the DJI Fly app or use the remote controller and navigate to the QuickShots menu. You'll find several creative options designed to make your footage look incredible. Droney. This mode captures a dramatic shot as the drone pulls away from a subject while ascending, creating a stunning perspective of your surroundings. Helix. This mode combines an upward and outward spiral motion, providing a breathtaking 360-degree shot of your subject and its surroundings. Boomerang. The drone flies out in an arc around the subject and then returns to the starting point, giving you a smooth, cinematic loop. Each QuickShots mode is designed to give you a professional look with minimal effort. Just select your desired mode, set your parameters, and let the DJI Neo do the rest. QuickShots is perfect for capturing memorable moments, creating engaging content, or just having fun with your drone. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.